Welcome to our comparison of the WonderWash and Elevon portable washing machines. Today, we will dive into the unique features of each machine, looking at their capacities, operation types, and overall convenience for your laundry needs. The WonderWash is a manual, non-electric option perfect for small loads, while the Elevon offers a semi-automatic experience with both washing and spinning capabilities. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank the handle to wash your clothes, making it an eco-friendly choice for those who prefer non-electric options. In contrast, the Elevon is a semi-automatic machine that uses electricity to wash and spin your laundry, offering a more convenient experience. This means less physical effort for the user, but it does require access to a power source. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon takes the lead with an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity and 10 pounds spinning capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the WonderWash is limited to a smaller 5 pounds capacity, which is ideal for delicate items or quick washes, but may not suffice for larger laundry needs. This difference significantly impacts the usability of each machine depending on your laundry habits. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The WonderWash is priced at an affordable $55, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Elevon is priced at $177, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. If you're looking for a basic, cost-effective solution, the WonderWash is the way to go. But if you need more functionality, the Elevon may justify the higher price. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and Elevon portable washing machines have their unique strengths. The WonderWash is perfect for those who need a compact, manual option for small loads, while the Elevon offers a more automated solution for larger laundry needs. Consider your specific requirements, including capacity, operation type, and budget, to choose the best portable washer for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.